Tiayasani Hoselai. Marazake. Tiayasani Hoselai. Tiayasani Hoselai. Tiayasani Hoselai. Tiayasani Hoselai. Tiayasani TISF long live. Bubagra long live. Bubagra long. TISF Hoselai. TISF Hoselai. Long live. TISF long live. Jotono palbak sakai khoram ki sawai.
Jokowi asal lagi Jokowi lekas lagi asal lagi doa asal lagi Jokowi.
Withdraw klangan itu, kayak TISF rock, bus kami salah, omni center rock kotor andolon sentuhi pai tongo, government rock dying night. I say, abon bagai, joto sen disiplin kai, tabok tai. 3 minutes sen slogan rema pore sen oroni withdraw khai sen basa wi thang la nyai tai government sen somai na nai government datik ka wan sugai withdraw khlanya ning to TISF long live TISF long live TISF long live Puspobanta Palace no 5-star hotel Ramnani bondo mak khlanyai hai ka chaba choli nai hai ka chaba choli nai hai ka chaba choli kha hai ka chaba choli kha di prasani itihas no live taba asuk lagi tongo Bini Mukhyamantri Tripurani Bini resident pe hospital We want justice. We want justice. Peaceful kami, sentawak sini, setanggu, Puspobanta Palace na. We want justice. We want justice. Bubagra long live. Bubagra long live.
All our press media friends for covering us. As you all know, today on behalf of Tripura Indigenous Student Federations, we have organized peaceful rally, mass deputations to oppose the government recent decisions that they have taken to demolish the Puspobanta Palace and construct a 5-star hotel. See, we would like to tell to the government, we are not against any development. We understand and genuinely know that the development process is also important for the progress of any other state. But the development should not take place at the cost of erasing our own historical monuments. There are various other processes to promote our tourism sector, but it should not erase our historical monuments. That is the reason we have come here to organize a peaceful rally. The decision which taken by the government to construct a 5-star hotel in the Pushpavanta Palace deeply hurts the sentiment of our people, deeply hurts the sentiment of our communities, which I think government should reconsider. We appeal to government to reconsider and stop, if anything initiation they are taking it to build a 5-star hotel. That is the reason we have organized today.
29 November, the Assembly Vicente, the Assembly was Mabai, Aisha Katon, Protestant, Isaac, Sini Astabal Ground, Sini Chennai, so Tabu Paithago, Yago, the Sini Tourism Department officers from Bayer, Memorandum Summit Plaja, Tourism Department Directors with Hani. I say, Mogono Poika, they that because the government of a high initiative not Hanke, more we consider finance to stop financing to, they are going to withdraw line and into. Time gets in Simono Pushpavanta Palace building Simia, almost the city would have a connection, Ganahese, all the monuments. About 1917, Sini late Maharaja Virendra Kishore Manik Sunamani, Kaisa Laipuma, Kaisa Gorbo, Kalajan, Sini Itihas, Omaha Itihas, Sibaisa Tomani, Santia, Puno Montecapan, Mani Mania, Tai Agami Dino, Judia, Sultabo, Internal Soste, High Cover Manta, the Cabinet Minister, Sini, Honorable Sri Susanto, Botini Press Meet, like a head. They already decision Nazaka Hotel twice in a Judi Abo Haimi of Hankai. Next, then Simi, Street Dog, Joto, Dog Lawan of Kore, Jani Lamon of Kore, Pora Sara, Tripurani, Prasaro, at the Hosala, Hake Basawi, Hines Heights. Amoni Dai Sabone, government of Tripurano, Taming to multiple times, more of not consider Kadi, withdraw Kadi, the money is Hamuis. Someone is hot table, more of the Oman of Klaika, Bus can be salad, Prasar, Chupala, it has no cine, Mokol Bus can walk, Maibu Marok, no, Suvai Zakman in Nuka, Sokomor Zakman in Nuka, some Obonatai Nasibi Tomalia, Cine start in Sinai, movement start in Sinai, Jotonos Orbon of Sinai, Zunga Kanke, Saya Wimon of Tonga, Tobo, Obon Justice in Manana.
Ini orang hari sama like a director.
Orang hari director tu Delhi wo thangza sengkharaka. Abon pore sengvini se office bearer bongi thani ya pari kalang thangka. Bor bisik thakya. Tai bor nogono thaka. Je director thaimani pore nor ogono sadi je sini o monument sopno jate 5-star hotel o convert khainani tangtu business aseno khainani te revenue generate khainani te Tripura kabang part tongo. Asa karo ko thani boro Klaidi 5-star hotel, Tangi City Pushpavanta Palace of Klaine, Hazing Sama, I see Honorable MLA. Kana Dudi Tasmon Hotel Snam Ranke, Indian is sentimental moment. Kana Dudi Kutumbin and the Hotel Snami sentimental moment. Abu Nibagis in Savo, government Judi over decision not Subiship Kankai, they should reconsider, they should withdraw.
Cabinet Minister, Susan briefing can make our step Nazam. No, can I drink over
Kanani Simi Doctor organization Robert Singh Asubui, Senior Higher Authority Robert Asubui, I think Zetabu Gung Tomani, Oman Setable, Hotam Babis and Andolan Klane, so Oman sitting Tomania, more always Kamo, Puna Dinasini, the Hasnos, Bilu, Kaye, Sakamawi Sipmani, Amos, Dinah Naimangala.